How to delete Safari on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Here, you can get insights about your screen time and set limits as needed. Adults can also set parental controls for a child's device. Now, scroll down to the Restrictions section and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Here, you can manage content, apps, and settings. From here, turn on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Go to Allowed Apps and Features. Over here, turn off the apps which you want to hide. For example, Safari. Turning off an app or feature will remove it from the home screen, but will not delete it. Now, go back to your home screen. As you can see, the Safari app will no longer be displayed over here. Following these steps, you can easily delete Safari on iPhone.